Hello and welcome to Creating Cards with Alexandra. I am Alexandra, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I wanted to pop on today before the tutorial to talk to you about a special opportunity that Stampin' Up! Is offering the month of October. So if you've ever been interested in becoming a demonstrator and receiving a discount on everything that you buy, October is the month to do so. So they're celebrating their 35 years and they want to pass that on in savings to you, 35% off the starter kit or 35% added to the starter kit. So basically that is normally $99 to join, but you receive $125 worth of product. So in the month of October, you can join for $64.35, but you receive $125 of product that you've chosen from the catalogs. That's anything that you want, $125 worth for $64.35. Or if you want to pay the $99, you will receive $168.75 worth of product that you choose from the catalog, along with free shipping. So if you've ever thought about becoming a demonstrator, and why would you not, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. And with joining as a demonstrator, you receive 20% off everything you buy, and then you can also earn up to 25% off everything you buy. Or if you want to start your own business, this would be the perfect time to do so. So if you're interested, I will place a link in the description below, and you can click on that, and I'll take you right over to where you need to go to sign up. And again, this is only in the month of October, so this would be the time to do it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. So let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. All right, everybody, so here we go. We're going to make a beautiful and simple Christmas card today using the Ringed with Nature. And we're going to be using the tag die from the Merriest Trees. I also have to show you, this is the Paper Pack Traditions of Saint Nick. This is an online exclusive. Beautiful, beautiful paper, and it actually does coordinate with the set in the catalog. So it will cut out these Santas and I believe the trees as well. So this is just a beautiful paper with that elegant background. And today we are going to be using this paper right here, the holly. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have a piece of Mossy Meadow. This is 8.5 by 5.5. Okay, and then I have taken, this is the wood grain embossing folder. Now this is Crumb Cake, and this is, let me see, this is 4 by 5.25. So I've already embossed that. We're going to go ahead, we'll go ahead and adhere that on there. Okay, and then I have, this is a piece of cherry cobbler, and this is 3.25 by 4 3/4. And then I have a piece of the paper. This is the Designer Series paper. Oh, I like that side too, but we're going to use this side. And this is 3 by 4.5. So we go ahead and adhere those layers. This is a very classic Christmas card. And then we can go ahead and put that down as well. We're going to kind of put this towards the side here. Okay, so that's what we have so far. And then I have This is the tag, and we are going to bring in this. Okay, so I have my Cherry Cobbler ink and my Mossy Meadow. So we're going to actually stamp the sentiment first. Love and warmth. Down there at the bottom. Okay, and then Cherry Cobbler, we have the poinsettia. We'll stamp that down. Okay, and then we have the little tiny leaf. Put that guy in there. Maybe on that side there. Okay. And what's really going to set this card off is we are going to do a little embossing with gold around the sides. So what I did, go ahead and condition our cardstock. Okay. And then I've taken my Versamark ink, and I basically have taken the tag and I've just set it in there. See how I've pressed and that stitching kind of disappears into the pad. So I've kind of gone in that far. I'll do that a few times. And this will really add some elegance to this tag. Okay, so then I have my gold embossing powder. Okay, and then if this, I kind of like that, that'll add some beautiful little gold right there, really look antique. But if you've kind of gotten to this where I want just a little bit more gold showing, what I'm going to do is go ahead and heat emboss this, and then I will Versamark it. All right, so this is what we're left with. And I want a little bit more gold there. So I'm just going to re-ink. And I couldn't do it before because obviously I already had the powder down. If I would have tried to re-ink it, this pad would have picked up the powder. Okay, so that's better. That's more of what I want there. And then same with this side. Okay, so let's try that again. All right, so that's what we're left with. It just adds a little touch of elegance on there. And I love how that kind of comes up there. Just makes it a little more vintagey, rustic to me. All right, so then we are going to pop this up. These are our dimensionals. Right there too. We're going to kind of put this at an angle. And then I have taken, I had some Real Red ribbon, and I took my Cherry Cobbler Stampin' Blend and I ran it over that, and it darkened this up a little bit. If you can tell, the end there is the Real Red, and then that just darkened it to more where it will match these colors. And we're going to make a little bow. Let's try that again. There we go. You just want a little tiny bow. Okay. Let me grab my glue dots. Now I'll just put a little glue dot on the back there. Oops. And then we will finish that off like that. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that. And then I have the little pearls that we can put in the middle here. And there we go. And then of course I'll put a white layer in there. I forgot to get that ready, but since this is dark cardstock, I'll go ahead and put a piece of white layer in there. And then this stamp set also comes, I believe it says Merry Christmas. So I'll probably stamp the Merry Christmas in there. So love and warmth. This paper is beautiful. So this is in online exclusives. If you head over to my shopping page, hit that online exclusives, and that's where you'll find this paper. So thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I appreciate you watching my tutorials, and I'd appreciate your business. I will link all the items used today in the description below, which will direct you right over to my shopping page. If you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And also, do you like simple cards like this? Or do you like more involved, maybe fun folds, things like that? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you so much. Have a joyful day. Bye-bye.